Hi there, Jen here, and thanks so much for joining me today. Today is the day. It is the release of the Not Too Shabby Shop's box of the month. This month is awesome. Once you see the items, I think you'll agree. These papers, I am just so in love with them. So I'm going to go over the contents of the box real quick. And while I am showing that, I wanted to let you know that, as usual with the new release for the box of the month, there is a hop as well as a giveaway. The giveaway is a $25 gift certificate to the Not Too Shabby Shop. To be entered into that, you just need to click on the Rafflecopter link below in the description, and that will enter you. And then after the giveaway ends, the winner will be announced on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel. So you might want to head over there and subscribe to the channel to find out if you have won. There is a hashtag up on the screen, and if you type that in or just click on it, it will take you to all of the videos from the design team to show lots of inspiration using the contents of this box. As well, throughout the month, we will be posting projects both on our own channels and on the Not Too Shabby's YouTube channel, so you can check out inspiration all throughout the month. I do not think this box will last long. It is really pretty awesome, and so if you're not subscribed or have a subscription, I would encourage you to head on over and pick up this box while it is available. If you'd like to sign up for a subscription to ensure that you get future boxes, you can go ahead and do that also, but it is not required. But like I said, the boxes tend to sell out fairly quickly, and so if you don't want to miss any, go ahead and subscribe. I'm just showing the ephemera packs that are in the box. Each ephemera pack matches the pattern paper. There were also 3 stamp sets that you saw there that are included, and the two 6x6 paper pads, which are absolutely stunning. And I'm going to make a few cards today with you. These are really easy to put together. The contents of the box, the pattern paper, and the ephemera makes quick and easy cards, really quick and easy. And so I'm going to go ahead and start out. I grabbed the Give Thanks paper pad. It is my favorite of the two. They're both gorgeous, but this one's my favorite of the two. I really love the different pinks and the browns together. I just think it's such a pretty combination. And so I went ahead and I grabbed several of the pieces of pattern paper, and I've grabbed some rounded squares dies from my stash, and I'm going to make a frame by stacking 2 of those together and running that through my die cut machine. And I ended up actually making 3 cards, sort of. I put one together. I didn't really care for it at all, and so it was rejected. And so you'll see here on the screen, this card on the left, I did not like the way that that was looking, and so I just put it off to the side. I'll use it for something later, but I ended up making 2 cards that I was really happy with, and so that one got the axe, unfortunately. But not for lack of beautiful pattern paper. It's just I didn't like the direction that I went with it, and so I had to say goodbye to that one. But I am taking the scraps that I had left over after I did my die cutting, and I'm going to make a card using those scraps. And so I have grabbed the I end up using 3 pieces of paper, so I'm going to go ahead and adhere these 3 pieces of pattern paper, and then there is an additional a piece that is from the kind of the brown paper that I used for the frame on the other card. I kind of jump around a little bit. I tried to splice the video together, so I wasn't all over the place, but I started creating the cards and then I would jump to the next one, and so that's what happened here. And so here I am showing the assembly for the first card, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump to this next card and go ahead and adhere these pieces and start putting this all together. And so to the frame I added some 1/8 inch foam strips My original plan for this card was to have it be a shaker card, and then I was trying to think of some kind of different shaker card to create, and then I just got tired of thinking about it, and so I just created a frame where I'm going to add these different pieces of ephemera. I also took a piece of that scrap paper and created a kind of a fishtail banner, and I will pop that up with some foam and add that to that center of that a piece that I've already kind of put together. And then I'm going to start grabbing some of the different pieces of ephemera that I picked out to go on this card and start adding those and doing a little bit of layering. And it's one thing I like about the box is that if you want to make a bunch of quick and easy cards, the pattern paper and the ephemera are perfect for that. But if you want to spend a day coloring or doing some different card making techniques, the stamps, the 3 stamp sets are there to do that as well. So it just provides a lot of different ways that you can make cards, and so I really love it. I love all of the boxes. I think every month I say this one's my favorite, and then every month I'm wrong again, and I have to say another one's my favorite. But they're just really gorgeous. And Jamie and Teresa, who helps to coordinate these, they just do an awesome job of putting these together. I can't even begin to thank them for bringing us such awesome products. So that's going to finish off the first card. The second card is just as quick. I did take kind of an off-white piece of paper and a scalloped a die, and I cut that piece of paper and added that just to ground my images, to break up a little bit of that pattern paper. And then I'm going to start adhering different pieces of the ephemera, and that's going to be it. To both of the cards I added some champagne stickles to give a little bit of sparkle. So pretty, gorgeous paper and ephemera. If you are interested in this box, check out the link below. Don't forget to also check out the Rafflecopter link to enter the giveaway. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love a thumbs up. As always, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I hope to see you next time.